So today's port, I've looked at the Gator microphone. I'm quite pleased with this one, as it's right on the edge of what the basic Microbit can do, but actually it could potentially be even more useful because the new Microbit version 2 has a MEMS microphone built in, and there's a fair chance it's going to have the same microphone and potentially the same ADC, so this might be directly portable across to the new Microbit, but time will tell on that one. So this is the device. Again, it's one of those that Sparkfun have produced. They're absolutely excellent. Unfortunately, make code only, so I've had to try and port it across. So here's the details. The important bit is this here. This is the main processor, the analog digital converter that's being used. But there's a tab on there, and there's this electronic microphone. So I found this. I can find it. So I found this. This is for a different version, but it seemed to work. So this was the thing it's based on. Now I'm showing you this, and it's in the comments of the code as well, because to get it to work on the Microbit, I had to remove 90% of the comments because it's right on the limit of what it can actually support. So it is pretty much a stripped out version of this to get it running. If I just show you it in Mu, you'll see that I've left the comment at the top from where I got it from. Some of the side comments are in, but all the spacing and all the comments in line, majority of them I had to rip out because it just wasn't the space. I've just changed it slightly, which is this comment here. They can come out. Actually, I'll take those out while I'm here and reflash it. I don't need that anymore, because what I decided for this demonstration was to prove it's working by using the built-in plot. So let's flash this. So let's turn the REPL off and flash it. So it's copied over. Let's bring up the REPL and we'll run it. Okay, and there's the data. So I brought it as a tuple. Now if I bring the plotter on, okay, so you can see the data that's coming down. I'm talking. There's nothing happening. If I clap over it nice and loud, you can see it's mixed that reading. Now that's because the microphone has a switch on it, so that's in the lowest volume mode. So if I bring it up to the next position on the switch, you can see my talking here is making some difference. We can see it's there again. The clapping's there, and if I bring it up to the highest setting on the switch, hopefully me talking will give a bit more of a change to the data, as you can see, and then clapping over the thing makes it work. So there we go. That's the Gator UV. Sorry, my apologies. That's the Gator microphone ported over to the Microbit. The code's available on the website, which I'll show you. Okay, it's Project 41, ready for download from there for you. I've got it with I've left some of the comments in, so you might want to leave these comments out of the program. But all seems to be functioning. So that's the next device that we've ported over from the Sparkfun range of Gator devices.